I started my oil catch can story more than 1 year ago on February 2017 when I ordered it from eBay. Oil catch can was installed on my 2017 Escape Titanium 2-liter EcoBoost on March 2017. Vehicle was couple months old and just 4,500 kilometers since I bought brand new.
Hi guys again, this is me. Today is gonna be time to change this location for oil catch can from the winter time location to summertime location there. And I'm gonna show you my another bracket. This one specifically designed for this location, and another bracket is gonna be designed is already designed for this location. And we're going to just move oil catch cans with another bracket is going to move here, and everything is going to be inside of under this plastic. This is job required half an hour maybe, but the service of this oil catch can is going to be required more time than this location, because this one is very easy to remove to the bottom parts of the oil catch can, drain, check, make sure there's nothing inside. Done. This one's gonna be required about 5 minutes probably, maybe less.
Before install oil catch can, you must clearly understand what is difference between a different kind of injection system. Means like PFI, GDI, GDI plus PFI. You can ignore any critical points about modification and installation of oil catch can. Wrong installation can be cause of catastrophic effect of your engine because of excessive pressure built in crankcase. Remember, everything what are you doing about oil catch can are you doing for your own risk. Proper installation and proper service of oil catch can gradually extend your engine life. I'm going to spend a couple minutes for explanation about my modification. This aluminum made oil catch can is providing very great heat transfer, also providing very great flow of blow-by gases with very low restriction to flow. But efficiency, the good question about this type of oil catch can, because just the two baffles inside they look very simple. They also the very short way between inlet and outlet, so that's why we need to do some modification. This modification is going to help to create proper turbulence. Also, this modification is going to help to extend distance between inlet and outlet, and this modification is going to be help to eliminate contact of dirty blow-by gases and condensing liquid on bottom of the catch can. This original manufacturing baffling system, they included just two simple baffles, but this one is not enough to clean properly blow-by gases which is coming from crankcase. My first modification is about two stationary turbines which is located between two baffles. These two turbines helping to change direction of flow, that means providing proper turbulence. These two turbines made from aluminum with the same outside diameter and 45 degrees angle of blades. But something is different. Different is a direction of blades. First turbine 45 degrees to the left and second turbine 45 degrees to the right. Also two of 5 mm spacers is there. First spacer is located between first and second turbine, and second spacer is located between second turbine and the bottom baffle. This spacer helping to provide the more efficient flow between turbines, because the more space, more efficient flow. More efficient flow means the proper flow of fluid and less restriction to flow. Flow by gases is going straight down, changing direction to 45 degrees, change direction to 90 degrees, is going down again and contacting the bottom baffle. After that is going to the extended pipe, which is equipped with the stainless steel media filter.
Okay, so we have two parts. So we connect in two parts of this baffle, and everything's gonna be inside. We're gonna try to test the flow. You're gonna see it's very free flow. The very nice free flow, because we have the big hole around by the perimeter, by the circumference of this turbine, and we have actually we have some holes on the center of this turbine, and we have a space between turbines, so that's why the air is going very easy with minimum restriction to flow, and this system is making some nice turbulence. Okay, the second my modification is about the stainless steel, the filter media. Especially this system you can find in the more expensive oil catch can like RS, something like that. The critical point is this filter media must be from some material which is never going to be rust. So can be stainless steel, or can be some aluminum, or some another material, but this material must be provide great heat transfer. So the heat transferring from the hot gases from the center, and it's gonna transfer to this this pipe. This is aluminum pipe, and after that they transferring to outside and transferring the must be provide nice nice cooling effect. Actually this part tubing is not solid, so you can see small cut of this tubing, and this is everything is working like spring, so this tubing is sitting very well on this baffle. They're sitting very well and never fell down. So I'm using already 1 year. I didn't find any problem like fell down. So, and on the bottom you can find some the aluminum screen which is holding inside the filter media. Okay, this one is about my second modification, and yeah, so I'm connected already So everything is connected here and everything is looking like that. So they're sitting very well on this the baffle, and they never drop down. The last my modification about the bottom part of this is oil catch can. So also you can see some screen inside. This screen I made the screen from the aluminum too, and actually you can see some spacer. This spacer about 2 centimeters from bottom of this of the oil catch can. So this, if you're gonna take a look from this side, so this screen exactly on this point. So you have a thickness of the catch can at the bottom one, so you have some specifically thickness, and you have a space approximately 2 centimeters. So they giving the 2 centimeter space, they give me chance or ability to keep 60 milliliters of liquid. This is approximately 2 ounces, and this 60 milliliter of this liquid I'm normally draining this oil catch can every time when I'm filling up my tank. This is the tank for this vehicle, about 60 liters. So if I'm driving long distance like 500-600 kilometers, probably they're gonna reach 60 milliliters of this liquid. And this screen and laminating compact with the hot gases and much colder temperature of this liquid, which is already at the bottom of the oil catch can. And we have some space between the filter tubing and this screen, about 5 millimeters. This 5 millimeters, this is more than enough to provide proper flow from one port, which is going to the baffle and going to the filter, to another port, like inlet and outlet port. So this is more than enough. This is everything about my modification. Okay, so now we're going to connect everything together, and we're going to make connection this bracket with the oil catch can to this plastic, and after that we're gonna cover with this top cover plastic, and everything is gonna be ready for spring time, summer time, and fall time.
When you plan in your oil catch can project, don't ignore critical points. First, you must know fluids moving on the system by the pressure differential. Your system must be 100% sealed, nothing in and nothing out to the atmosphere. Select proper design and size for oil catch can. Smaller size of oil catch can required more often check and service. Use proper diameter inlet and outlet hoses. Never switch to smaller diameter than PCV line design. To provide nice and smooth laminar flow, avoid small radius for inlet and outlet hoses and long lines. Use shorter possible hoses for proper installation. Before install oil catch can, check for proper operation PCV valve, which is working like jack valve. Locate oil catch can in place where it's much easier to do service. For summertime, locate oil catch can in possible colder place for proper heat transfer, cool down and condense water vapors, oil vapors, and different gases after combustion process on power stroke. and fuel vapors after compression stroke because of leakage gases from piston ring. More leakage, more blow-by.
So we're done, everything looking good. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and see ya on the next one.